welcome back to my channel. It's me, Meiji. I'm back for today's video, guys. Again, somebody is comment to my reaction. But this one, I don't have idea of this one. This is, I think, is Chinese. It's not Korean, I think. But, I don't think so. That, the artist is Steadygam. Oh my God. I think this is a comedy music. I think the title of the music, just correct me if I'm wrong. Cho Sheng Chi. Okay? I think this is a comedy song. Alright? Guys, if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. And by the way, thank you so much to all of who is the one comment to my reaction and who is the one subscribed to my channel, guys. Thank you so much and I appreciate it, guys. I love you all. Guys, we will check what kind of music this one, because this one is the first time that I hearing and reaction also to them. Okay, this is 2 months ago. There is 4 million views and there is 126k. I only starting play. I already start the play before, but I like a comedian. Okay, let's see. We will watch. Okay, stay tuned. Play. Like a movie. Yeah. This movie is like a... Yes. I watched already that one. What's that? From the beginning of music, it's like, like a movie. But I don't think so. There is 3 kids. The kids become big.
我對你嘅景仰有如滔滔江水，綿綿不絕，黃河泛濫，一日含包散，再加含笑半步釘。我愛你一碌筆亦無法表達我心境。You can make me 喺份愛加上一個限期，我希望係1萬年。查實我想請你食。 小雞翼，我中意食，你仲面無全非腳，我有還原靚靚啲，因為少林功夫好嘢，少林功夫間沒不用回去，我心地就有我很安全。小雞翼，我中意食，太極功夫靜慢口力驚天動地，但見阿妹雙臂好力，令到阿哥五體投地，你是最漂亮的，你知道嗎？人生如果沒有夢想，跟同鹹魚有乜分別？使我係一篤屎，硬命俾嗌便宜，為藝術堅持嗰種辛苦。 如果我說出來，誰會明白？孤獨只求一拜，白頭到老，只求你笑。我其實只想請你食小雞翼，我當然識。你當面無全非腳，我有還原靚靚豬，因為少林功夫好嘢，少林功夫跟你不用回去，火星地球有我很安全。 功夫靜慢跑力驚天動地，但見阿妹雙臂好力，令到阿哥五體投地。你是最漂亮的，你知道嗎？為打撈嚟記事，再拍一部電影，彈到勁到長，頭髮都白晒。看着你的戲，讓我有種快樂，想陪你一起老去。你的氣。 小雞翼，我當然識，你仲面無全非腳，我有還原
like, comedy. Stop running. Oh!
唔做導演，拍翻部戲俾我哋
They
睇
said
得唔
it's
得啊？
director.
唔做導演，
Stop,
你養我
stop
啊？
being director. You feed me?
別讓我食雞翼。
What? La, 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 la. Leng leng ko. Guys. Already done that music, okay, guys? This music, I'm so laughing because this is like, that with like movie with dancing with music. It's like, I think this all artist is uh, also is comedian person because it's good. Like, they are taking from the some of movie like Shaolin Soccer, Monk, some of Chinese movie. I think it's Chinese or Korean. Just correct me if I'm wrong because this one is the first time that I reaction to them. That channel of them is Steady Gang, Chong Cheng Chi. Guys, I will give rank of them, dun, 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 10, guys, because it's so funny music and also like with mix like movie, like music, like dancing, it's good combination. You will be laugh, even this is not movie, but you can laugh that one, the way they react like this, but it's good, guys. I hope this is not the first time reaction only. This is not the last reaction also. I hope just comment below, guys, if you like this my reaction to them. Please give me idea and also give me information to them, and also give me again more idea and also more music of Steady Gang. Alright, guys, I hope you like this one, and if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. And thank you so much to everyone. Okay, guys, and see you my next reaction, and bye bye and masalama.